Gina, today's the day.
Oh my gosh, finally.
Oh man. We literally are going to change Gina's parents' life. We actually purchased this home right here for Gina's parents. They've been living in an apartment for years. They were thinking they were gonna go to an apartment in Keller and then couldn't really find anything at an affordable price and everything. We wanted them to be closer to us. They're both in their 70s now, and we bought them this house. They're gonna move into this house and they have no idea. We kept the secret.
Kept the secret. So hard because I just, my mom wondering and kind of getting discouraged because I couldn't find what they wanted. So finally finding this home is being everything they wanted and what we wanted. So it's working for all of us.
And what is awesome is that we live 2 minutes down the street, like right down the street. And it's
Super
gonna
close.
be, yes,
Yeah.
it's gonna be great. And there's a single story house, beautiful wood floors, just a beautiful house, and
Perfect size for them.
perfect size. And then for me, some of you guys know I lost my mom a few years back. We were not in a place back then. She was in an apartment and we made it beautiful. We bought her beautiful furniture and did everything. And, you know, I wish I could have gotten her a house, you know, did something amazing for her. But she was very proud and loved just everything we were about, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you know, and of course she's in a better place, but now, you know, we had an opportunity to do it with Gina's parents, and we told them we were gonna take them out to breakfast. So then we're gonna come over here, and Gina's just gonna give them the key. They have no idea.
La compramos para ti y para mi papi.
¿Qué? Ya, toma.
¿De verdad?
Sí.
No, yo no lo puedo creer, es verdad.
No me hagas eso.
No, no te... Ay. Thank you.
Oh,
God bless. Es mucho que yo nunca.
They never thought that to this.
Nunca.
This is amazing. What a blessing. Our parents are so happy. It means so much because we're gonna have them close. At the same time, I see them that they're just so happy, and that makes me happy. It makes us happy. Just a way to give back to them for being so good to us through the years. And yeah, it's such a blessing.
you love the house?
I love it. Beautiful house. Really happy. Thank you, Titan Gina. I love the house. It's beautiful, amazing house.
I love it.
So whose house is that right there?
My grandpa's house.
It's beautiful, huh? Beautiful.
Beautiful house. I like it. Beautiful.
Texas, baby. Gina, say it. Texas.
Texas. This is
Boom.
beautiful. We love it here. So
Yeah.
awesome.